Hi, I'm Nancy Basile with Plus Size Nerd, and today I am unboxing my Origami Owl order with Harry Potter charms. I invited Melody from Memories with Melody to my private Facebook group for Plus Size Nerds to come to a party and host it on July 31st to celebrate Harry Potter's birthday. And she showed us all the incredible lockets and jewelry and charms available for Harry Potter fans. They were so cute. Of course, I had to order a locket and a necklace and all the charms myself. So everything came in this box, and you and I are going to discover what's inside here together. All right, let's take a look. Well, first off, this is super cute. It comes in a little takeout box. Isn't that adorable? Let's pop it open. First up is the locket itself, and it comes in this branded Harry Potter little box. So let's slide this out. I'm not very good at this stuff. And inside is my locket. This is the base of all the magic that's about to happen. I went with the antique locket. It looks almost like something you would see in Borgin & Burke's. But there was also a locket in the shape of an old-fashioned key. I did really think about getting that one, but I wanted this one because if I wanted to, I could really jam-pack this locket with stuff. Either one would be really cool with all the Harry Potter charms. Now next up are all my little charms. So my plan when I was buying charms was to buy Harry Potter charms that I could wear on an everyday basis, and then I bought a few charms that I can add in with the Harry Potter charms for different holidays or different seasons. First up is little tiny Harry. I also got a little snitch. In this packet there are some little teeny tiny gems that are the Gryffindor colors. You can get gems just to fill in with your Harry Potter charms in each of the house colors. So there's Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and Gryffindor. So I'm going to pop open my locket. There's a little latch on the side you just pop open, and then I'm going to put in my everyday Harry Potter charms. Okay, so you can see the Gryffindor little teeny tiny gems inside my locket. I highly recommend using tweezers or some sort of jewelry tool to put these in. They are so smart. So small, and I had a heck of a time getting them in there. I also recommend that you do this over a tabletop, maybe even with a towel on the tabletop and holding this over the towel. That way you won't lose any of your little tiny gems. Okay, I've got all my charms and gems in there. I'm going to close up the latch. You can see them in there. Oh, there's little Harry and the snitch and the Gryffindor gems. The other charms I bought were a little Ginny. There she is with her red hair, and a flower for spring or Easter. And then for Valentine's Day, I have the word love. And then for the 4th of July, I have a little flag heart. Now the chain is sold separately, so if you have a favorite chain that you want to put it on or that you think it would look really good with it, you can just use that, but I don't. So I went ahead and ordered one of their chains. So I'm going to slip the locket on the chain, and now I'm ready to put it on. And there's my Origami Owl Harry Potter locket. Oh, I love it. It'll be great for every day, and I'm very excited to get the fall and winter holidays. I plan on getting something for Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas. So if you want your own Origami Owl locket, necklace, whatever, they have other jewelry available too. They have bracelets, they have sticky things that you can put on the back of your phone or on a laptop. There's all kinds of stuff you can get. Check out Memories with Melody. She's wonderful, and she'll host a party for you too. Like I said, we did it to celebrate Harry Potter's birthday, but you can do it for just about anything. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching. Hi, this is Nancy Basile with Plus Size Nerd. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up down below. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and ding that bell. That way you'll know every time a new video drops.